Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to search for people on LinkedIn. This is an essential skill whether you're looking to connect with industry professionals, find potential collaborators, or simply expand your network. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you arrive at the LinkedIn homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your profile and all the platform's features. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your LinkedIn feed. Now, direct your attention to the very top of the page where you'll notice the search bar. This search bar is your gateway to finding anyone on the platform, from colleagues to industry leaders. It's prominently placed at the top center of the screen, making it easy to spot. Click directly on that search bar to activate it. You'll see the cursor appear inside, indicating that it's ready for your input. This is where the magic happens. Now type in the name of the person you're looking for. Be as specific as possible with the name to narrow down your results. If it's a common name, you might want to think about adding additional details later, but for now, just enter the name you have in mind. Once you've typed the name, you'll notice that LinkedIn automatically starts generating results. However, these results might include companies, posts, jobs, and other content types mixed in with people profiles. To make your search more efficient and focused, look at the top of the results page. You'll see several filter options displayed horizontally. Click on the People filter option. This is crucial because it immediately refines your search results to show only individual profiles, filtering out all the other content types. This saves you time and makes it much easier to find exactly who you're looking for. Now that you're viewing only people profiles, scroll through the list to find the specific person you're searching for. You can identify them by looking at their profile picture, headline, location, and current position. LinkedIn also shows you if you have any mutual connections, which can be helpful in verifying you found the right person. And that's it. You've successfully searched for and located someone on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.